And we're going to restore some of the lost volume here by targeting the areas of the deep fat pads. This is not something that we're going to do all at once. We're going to do it in stages. We're going to bring her back in 4 weeks when she's absorbed the filler, it's accumulated its water, to see where it is, and then probably pop in some more. And the idea of this is to create a very natural effect of how we're working. So I've done my markings, and what we are going to do is just inject deep down onto the bone and just pop a little bolus in. Next three. So there is a system known as the MD codes. So what I'm injecting is the area known as CK3. And in CK3 we have certain points where we're injecting. And because she's got a lot of volume loss, I'm focusing on where the medial fat pad would be, just to get that area up to scratch. We have got a sort of a generalised, if you see the skin laxity here, we've got generalised volume loss, so I will try and go on the bone just to put little droplets, just to give a bit more volume replacement and anchoring, but we don't want to put too much in there, otherwise, as she has a naturally high cheekbone, it will give her an abnormally prominent cheekbone. So it really is a skill of being able to look at the anatomy, look at what's required and the product that you're using.